Hi you guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Today is about becoming Super Saiyan. Yes, Super Saiyan. No, this is a term I like to use about like leveling up and like just leveling up your conscious level. And a lot of times when we are opening up our third eye, that is essentially what we're aiming to do. It's basically expanding our perception of the world. Whether you realize it or not, that's what the third eye is all about. And it's about relying not only on the 5 senses that you have now, but also learning about your 6 senses. So senses that we are not even taught about from a young age. It's about unlocking the side of you, unlocking your DNA that makes you really, really powerful. So whenever I say Super Saiyan, yes, it's a dope reference to Dragon Ball Z, but it's also a dope reference to becoming superhuman. And basically, it's nothing new. So when people interpret it as new age stuff, it's really knowledge being recycled back to us, knowledge that we've forgotten. And when we're delving deep into third eye, Kundalini, spiritual awakening, things like that, we are essentially remembering who we are. And it's really our birthright to know this information. So we're not lost in the dark. We're not relying just on, like, you know, believe me type of societies. You know, just set into place like, oh, you better just believe this and that's the only truth. When you are doing this, you're essentially becoming a truth seeker again. So how to level up and become Super Saiyan? Basically, you have to be open to expanding your perception in the first place. You can no longer hang on to old ideals. If you do that, you're not allowing yourself to open your third eye. So you have to loosen up your grip a little. In order to do that, you can't be afraid. Fear has to go out the window, really. And meaning, so all this new age woo-woo shit that people talk about, yes, it's going to be scary at first, especially if you're from a very religious family like I came from. You're going to be weary of letting a whole bunch of beliefs go, and even a lot of things will seem evil. But when you become a truth seeker or alchemist and all these good dope things, you have to let go of old beliefs and give yourself a chance to explore on your own. You know, that's all what it's about, not just listening to people's words, but exploring for yourself. So again, how you become Super Saiyan, let all that old shit go. At least loosen your grip, at least gain distance. It's like meditation. You're clearing your mind a little bit so that new knowledge can come through. If you're too stingy about letting knowledge through, then, you know, knowledge is power. You can't just like block it off. No matter how weird it seems at first, at least let it process and see if it resonates. If it doesn't resonate, it just doesn't resonate. But in this sense, if you want to open your third eye, things of that nature, become Super Saiyan, loosen your grip. Let's see what else. I didn't make a list today, but hopefully I can explain it good enough. What else can you do to open your third eye? It becomes Super Saiyan, really. Accept yourself and who you are in this very moment. Accept that you can get better. Accept that you are actually more powerful than you have been led on to believe. When you can do that, you can allow yourself to tap into this great potential. Know it as truth. So no, it's not like, oh, I think I'm powerful. It's more so, no, I am powerful. It's just a matter of tapping into that power. So know that it's there to be unlocked, and that you're on the way to unlocking it just because you clicked on this video. What else? To become Super Saiyan, believe in yourself. All the basic stuff, all the cliche stuff, obviously I'm gonna say that, but as far as opening your third eye truths, really it just starts with knowledge and seeking, and you're already on that path, it seems like. So you're already halfway there, or some of you guys though are already on that path and you just haven't understood it. And maybe I'll make a more in detail video on like how you can already know your third eye has pretty much been open. Some of you guys have been on the track since you were little and not even realize it. But remember, when you open your third eye, it's a continuing process. It doesn't just stop with one awakening. It's a continuing thing. And once you learn the truth, you cannot unlearn it. So don't fear like falling back in your spirituality, things like that. But if you guys have more questions on how you can like level up, open your third eye, obviously I want to get more in detail about it, because obviously I didn't touch on everything here. But don't be afraid. Tell me what you guys need to hear. I'm here to help you, here to support you. Also remember that I have Skype sessions available about third eye, Kundalini, spiritual awakening. I did have a Skype session recently with helping someone get through their spiritual awakening, so don't be afraid to book a session with me. I'm here to help you. Again, if you're not looking for that specifically, I have tarot readings, and then I have ebooks, so check it out, you guys. Be dope, be unapologetically, be yourself, don't apologize. Yeah, peace.